What is good, YouTube? Hollaturboy, I'm back again, and today I'm about to mosey on over to my local Best Buy to trade in my iPad. Supposed to be going up there and picking up the iPad 11-inch M4. So let's go ahead, mosey on over to the Best Buy, pick it up. All right, as y'all can see, I have made it up here to my local Best Buy. So let's go ahead and go in and pick this up. All right, y'all, so your boy just left Best Buy up in this thing. I went on ahead and picked it up, traded everything in. So we're gonna go ahead and get back to the crib and set this thing up. Just came back from my local Best Buy, and yeah, your boy picked up a few items. So as you can see, your boy went out and copped the Apple Pencil Pro here. You know, I was using some knockoff, budget pen, but hey, your boy decided it's time to stop being a low budget peasant and go ahead and upgrade. So I got the Apple Pencil on deck. I wanted to upgrade the iPad. Finally did it with the brand new iPad Air with the M4 chip. This is the 256. Let's go ahead and get into this box. Let's check out the iPad Air M4 with Apple Pencil Pro. So first, let's go ahead and get into the iPad because, ain't nothing special about this. So let's go ahead and get into the iPad first. Extremely excited for this. Let's go ahead and peel the tabs. Hey. Flip it over. This is the 11-inch iPad Air. And yeah, this thing is pretty light. Let's go ahead and put this to the side real quick. We got designed by Apple in California. I'm pretty sure we don't get no stickers. So you get your little iPad Air booklet, instructions and whatnot. And that's pretty much it. That's all you get. This is the charger for the iPad Air. Not sure what the wattage is on it. And you have a cable in the box as well. And this looks like a pretty short cable. So you have that. And that is it. iPad Air. Hey. Go ahead and peel this off. Hey. That out of there. Whoa. Whoa. Look at this. The space gray joint in the building. I was gonna cop the iPad Pro with the M5 chip, but I don't think I'm gonna be doing all of that, and it would be a waste of my money to buy that and not use that at its full potential. So we decided to go with the Air. I wanted something with the new silicon chip M series inside. So you get two speakers on the side with Touch ID. Now, a lot of people are bummed out that this does not have, Face ID, but hey, I'm not mad at it with Touch ID. On the other side, I think that is a Thunderbolt, if I'm not mistaken. It could be a Thunderbolt 4 port, but hey, on the back, you got the Apple logo and you got the camera with your flash. So let's go ahead and power this thing on and get this all set up. See if we got any juice. Power it on. Hey, there we go. We're gonna go ahead and get this thing all set up, and I'll come back to you guys in a second. All right, y'all, so we are now at the home screen. My apps are installing as we are speaking. Let's go ahead and while we wait for that to install and everything, let's go ahead and set up the Apple Pencil here. So there's the pencil. Look nice and clean. Let's see what we got in this box. Apple Pencil Pro. Yeah, you ain't got no stickers in here. There's a bunch of, stuff that you could read, you like. Here is the pen. Alright, y'all, so let's see if we can get this to attach to the top like so. Hey, there it is. Welcome to Apple Pencil Pro. Let's go. So you can squeeze, switch tools with a gesture, scribble, easy capture screenshots. Try to squeeze. So let's go ahead and try to squeeze. Hey, that's pretty dope. Can you scribble? All right, so we're gonna try to write something. Yo, what is up? We got the Find Mine with this too, so you can find your pencil if you lose it. So that's pretty dope. This is gonna make me use the iPad a whole lot more. This right here is probably gonna be a game changer for me. Gonna start doing some thumbnails on the iPad, probably even writing up scripts on the iPad, stuff like that. This is dope. You know, I'm gonna put it through its paces. We're gonna see what it can and what it cannot do. So if you guys want to see more on the 11-inch iPad Air with the M4 chip, y'all let me know, because I'm gonna be doing a lot of things with this tablet. I also have a lot of accessories coming for this tablet as well. So y'all stay tuned. If you enjoyed today's video, I really appreciate it if you would first hit the like, second, subscribe if you haven't already, and third, there's like 85% of you guys that's watching my videos and you're not subscribed. So I mean, what's up with that? I mean, if you feeling the content, you know what I mean, you like the videos, you like the swag, you like the vibe over here, then go ahead, subscribe. I really appreciate you for watching. And as always, stay blessed, and I'll holler at you in my next video. Later.